Good morning, everybody. Sorry about delay. My internet is down and I have to connect my computers all to hotspots. So I don't know how it's gonna be the quality um, of this live. So it's over the phone. We'll see. Market was crazy yesterday, so it wanted to dump, but deep buyers were very active, and every drop was coming with a deep buy, and puts were working, not working. It was not so easy to play puts yesterday, and then middle of the day 15 MACD got a golden cross. Then end of the day we got a 30 MACD golden cross, and it was just a crazy close, which gave a little bit hope and expectation that maybe market is gonna gap up and run up higher. But again, futures are weak. So good morning. Pre-market right now. Five nothing clear there, but direction on the 15:30 1 hour downward again. These pullbacks that we got on the futures downward, and the 4 hour was golden cross last night, but right now it again dead cross, and the daily MACD is again near having a dead cross. So it's a little bit limbo. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Again, deep buyers are super active. But market is pullback is way overdue. It's beginning of the month, so we'll see how December is gonna give. The only thing is, weekly statistic fast is dead cross. Um, I will go over it at the end. So anyway, NQ pre-market right now 5 nothing special. 15:30 1 hour downward. 1 hour is not dead cross yet. Once the 1 hour dead cross is not gonna be good, and the 4 hour is still bearish. Keep in mind, even though end of the market was jumping, SPY went crazier higher. QQ didn't go too much higher, and a lot of techs were lagging behind. And then right now you can see here NQ daily MACD is that cross is confirmed. Weekly MACD is still very bullish, and TTM squeeze is still very bullish, but we got a stochastic fast dead cross. So it's possible some pullback, some healthy pullback, then go up later higher again. But need to get a 4 hour MACD gold, a solid 4 hour MACD golden cross on techs in order to signal the market is gonna go higher. Dow Jones was green because yesterday of UNH and CRM, and it's still very bullish on 4 hour daily and weekly. This is just very, very, very bullish on weekly. RUT, let's look at that one. That one is pulling back to 4 hours dead cross, so keep an eye on that. TNX was very, very green yesterday, and that was one of the reasons market was red. It opened down, but right now is recovering up again. If it goes above 43.71, be cautious about it. It can because market went up because of rates going lower. But if again rates go higher again, then same scenario again. Okay. DXY weekly daily MACD is curved up. Pre-market right now looking strong on the 5 to 1 hour. So if it does break 103.676, be cautious. The higher DXY goes, the more dangerous for text as usual. If daily MACD golden cross is not going to be good. Keep an eye on DXY. If it pulls back, the market can run up again. What else you got here? Wix almost flat. So as long as below 13, that's good. If it goes above 13, then it's gonna be dangerous. Daily MACD is golden cross on VIX, so it's just a little bit cautious sign. Weekly MACD is golden. Weekly stochastic fast is golden crossing, so gotta be cautious there too. BTC made a new high pre-market for this year, 39,640, but right now it's pulling back, affecting coin. We'll go over that one too. Apple. Sorry, I'm gonna go faster. We're getting close to open. Apple daily MACD is dead crossing. Had a very nice jump up into the close and a nice V recovery, but again weakness again. So two key levels to watch is 190.08 and 188.46. If it goes below low of yesterday, then we're looking at 186.45 to come. Pre-market right now 15:30 is downward. If the 1 hour MACD dead crosses, it's gonna be dangerous, but we'll see. Daily MACD is dead cross, so gotta be cautious there. Amazon daily MACD dead cross too. 4 hour we got a yellow bar. Had a nice jump up into the close yesterday, but again back back to 145.71. If 145.71 breaks, then we are looking for lower levels. I was interested yesterday, was very bearish into the open, but as soon as it opens, it jumps up, and this most likely wants to consolidate for a while. Need to break 144. Low of yesterday was 144.11. So if it does break that one, then we can get bearish on it. Nvidia very bearish, getting much more bearish. Weekly MACD is still downward, but TTM squeeze is still bullish. Daily MACD is curving down harder, and 4 hour very bearish. Until the 4 hour is not golden cross, this bearish trend can continue. 468 was a key level. That was the low of earning day. When it had earning, it came down all the way to 468. It bounced it up, so it's right now it went below it, and it's all about 464.34. That's sorry about that. 464.34 is a major level. If we can hold there, we're looking at 462, 461.09. If 460 breaks, then we are looking for much lower levels, 456 and all the way to 447.56. You want to play calls on this, wait for the 4 hour MACD golden cross. AVGO weakness there yesterday too. It came down to 919.75. If it does break that one, we're looking at 914, 908, 905. 4 hour is still downward, daily is downward. Baba, nothing special. This name is just not running up. Keep giving up on Baba too, probably. They gave up on Bidu, but it ran up. I'm afraid if I give up on Baba, it's gonna go up crazy too. Netflix para news came in that they're gonna go partner with Apple, but Netflix has much more content. But at the same time, Netflix daily MACD is dead crossing. Showed some weakness yesterday. It's all about breaking 470. If it does break 470, then we're looking at 467, 463, 461.32. Pre-market right now not too much bearish, but if it does break 470, it does have chance for more pullbacks. Bearish on the 4 hour and daily. Meta was very bearish yesterday too, but it touched down and had a nice jump up into the close yesterday. So it's all about 324 or 327. If it does break 324.36, then we are looking for 320, 317.29. And if it gets crazy, 310 comes. Need to get above 327 for running up. Tesla is always a sell the event. Right now, it's getting close to 230, 4 hours downward. Pre-market right now 5:15, 30 is MACD is dead crossing, 30 minutes MACD is dead crossing. So 230. It was interesting that now when market jumped up into it was getting bearish into the close Tesla, and then market jumped up and Tesla joined, but it didn't go crazy or higher. It stopped right here. And as soon as market closed, boom, it went much lower. So 230, 215, it almost touched down, then it bounced up, and right now again back to it. So 230, 215, watch that one. If it does break it today, we are looking at 229, 227, 226.39 to come. 232 is a critical level. It can maybe consolidate there. It can maybe bounce up. We'll see. Need to see the actions that open. As always, watch 15 and 30 MACD. If you see them golden cross, then it can run up. Microsoft is defending right now 375. It came down to 375.76, had a very strong bounce, very super strong bounce into the close, and is holding that gain. Which is interesting. So watch 378.99. If it can pass that one, we can run up to 380.99. 381 is a key level to watch. Past that one can go crazy. But in general, daily MACD is dead cross, 4 hours downward, so pressure is down. But most likely this one is in a consolidation mode. 1 hour is upward, so people are defending it. 375, 380. Need to break either one for a bigger move. Google. It reached 130, 182 level, and it bounced it up a little bit above it. So right now it's opening above it. If 131 can hold it, it's been 2 days that going down non-stop. So if 131 can hold it, 131.82, we're looking at 130.04, 128.26, 127.16. But most likely it's possible to consolidate around this for now. AMD. 119.83 is a key level to watch. That one, if you can hold it, 118.73. Daily MACD is near having a dead cross. If 118 breaks, 117, 116, 115.47. Keep in mind, and AMD is kind of holding a stronger higher, and Nvidia is falling hard, but AMD is holding up. So that's interesting to watch. Wait for the next 1 hour, 4 hour golden cross for next run up. Boeing was a crazy run up yesterday, and it's all about 232.95. If you can get over there, we're looking at next 235.61. Above that, those are the level 237, 240, 243. 4 hours still bullish, but pre-market right now 5, 15, 30. 1 hour is bearish. So be cautious at open unless it breaks the 233.11 pre-market high. SPY. Again, it's possible to retest 454.48. If it can hold there, we're looking at 453.46. That's a key level to watch, 453.46. If SPY breaks that one, then we're looking for bigger fall ahead, 451, 449.14. But deep buyers are super active, so it's possible just a yo-yo actions that open. Pre-market right now, 15:30, 1 hour is downward, 4 hour got a golden cross, then dead cross, so just gotta be cautious there. And QQQ, it's all about 387.33. If you can hold there, the next levels we're watching is 385, 382.66, 379.77. What else you got here? IWM, it's holding up there. Roku started weakening yesterday, so if it drops again, we're looking at 163 there. Pan W, this one is just a non-stop runner. 297 is getting very close to 97.25, but pre-market right now showing some weaknesses. It's just every day for last 2 weeks it opens, jumps, open, jumps. So I keep an eye on it. Maybe this time different. Eventually one day it's not gonna happen, so we'll see. 297, if it passes, it can get really interesting. 297.25, if it passes, next long target is 337.61. Coin, it jumped up on the BTC and it got to 128, but now is weakening again. So if BTC jumps again intraday, we're looking at 128.72. That's a key level to watch. If it does break that one, those are the next levels. ZS, starting weakening right now, 4 hours dead cross. So next supports are 19. If it drops more, we're looking at 193.66, 191.57. What else you got here? CRWD is still holding up. Let me see. Snow. Need to pass 188.08 for run up, but 4 hours MACD is curving down, so can have a go dead cross soon. What else? That's pretty much it on the major names. Ulta went crazy earnings, so it's all about 481.52. Passes that one. Next target is 508.13. Disney, they announced dividend. They're gonna give dividends, so that's something to watch. It's 93.29 passes. We're looking at 94.33 and 96. Those are the next major level. LVS, I believe. Yes, I believe that they said they're gonna sell $2 billion because they want to pay Mark Cuban, and I do not have the levels on this one, but the gap down, I don't like it, and daily is very bearish downward, and weekly was bullish, but now it's diverting down. Pre-market, nothing special, so it's probably holding this this loss for now. 4 hours golden cross, need to pass this high, which is 46.49. If it can get over there, then it can probably go for recovery. That's pretty much it. Again, thanks for tuning in. Sorry if the connection was bad. I'm using hotspot right now, my phone. Have a beautiful day. Happy Friday.